What is it?
Kimchi!
Let me see.
Bigger than I thought.
Wow.
Are you happy? No?
I am happy.
What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
And Dennis?
And also, thank you, Dennis.
Hey, Benji.
Merry Christmas.
In July.